Hi everyone, welcome back to another real sound mukbang. So I'm back with some shrimp cocktails. This one is the shrimp cocktail sauce, but it's supposed to be a little bit more spicy and tangy. And then this one is a southern style fried shrimp. This is the one that I am eating today. Gorton's southern style shrimp, crispy and delicious. Honestly, I think this looked more delicious before I refried it. I am going to pair this with tartar sauce, yay! And then I have extra cocktail sauce. I don't know if I'll be needing it. This one's just not as good as the one that comes in the package or the kit. I don't know, but I'm going to just quickly open this. I actually thought this will make a good ASMR sound, but I can't even open it. So I tried to open it with my fingers and it kind of went over everywhere. So I'm just going to dip it. But wow, the sauce is so good. Anyways, and for today's drink, something different. So I'm going to make some. Where's my tequila? Oh. I'm going to make a highball with tequila. I don't even know if that's considered highball anymore. I don't know, but this one is the Tequila Blanco from Kirkland. About a shot. I don't know, is that a shot? I think that's good. Ooh, that smell. So the tequila is not mine, it's my husband's. I don't drink tequila, but today feels like a special day. Especially this is like totally like a drinking menu, not a full menu. Some sparkling water. And then of course my sweetened lime juice. I've had this like even when I went camping. My upstairs are very loud, but cheers. I have not had shrimp cocktail in such a long time. I remember there was a phase where everybody was filming shrimp cocktail, but I haven't seen any recently, so I decided to bring it back. Aiden's crying. Oh, my husband is home, so don't worry. So good. Let's go for two. I honestly forgot how good these are. So good. Just pan fried. Wow. I'm not gonna lie. I think it would have been better if it was air fried, but it still totally exceeded my expectation. This is so good. So Tom tried it before I started filming, so I haven't tried it yet. He tried it, he's like, oh, it's really good. But I thought he was just hungry, you know? But it's actually really good. So I actually really like these frozen ones. I had really good, like, super gourmet cocktail shrimps. You know, in Chicago, there's that, not the Sears Tower, it's a John Hancock Tower, and at the top of the building, there's a bar. It's called Sky Bar. Oh my gosh, if you ever come to Chicago, visit that. It's so beautiful. I mean, you have to go on a good day to see the skyline and the view of the city. It's so beautiful. I went there twice in my lifetime, but second time, that's when I got actually 3 times. Yeah, I got shrimp cocktail with my friend, and it was one of the top shrimp cocktails I ever had. I think because of the view. Aiden's crying again. I'm sorry. This is like becoming a routine in my videos. When I first came to America, I thought everything was so salty. I had Doritos as like my first like American snack ever. So salty. I'm like, how could anybody eat this? And years later, I tried it. I'm like, this is so good. But when I went back to Korea, I realized that everything is sweet. Pizzas are sweet. Like something that I would think would be salty. It's like a little bit it's still salty, but a little bit on the sweeter side. So I think that's why when I first came to America, I thought everything was so salty. But I felt like over time, like, you know, my taste buds adjusted to it. But so this is getting pretty salty. I feel like I need to drink every time I eat one. Oh no. Oh my god. Can you see it in my face? The alcohol's hitting me. So I really like this because the shrimp's not dried out or anything. It's very moist. It's crunchy outside, very moist inside. Very good, like a side dish to have during Thanksgiving. I want to save 6 pieces for my loving husband. Oh, and that alcohol is hitting me. I don't know if I can continue. I'm very weak, very lightweight. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.